Hi all, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are back with another unboxing video, and this time we are unboxing the new MVC S40. So what we have here is firstly the mini PC. It's called as the M-Core Pro, and then you have the M-Touch Plus, which is the controller for the mini PC, and then you have the camera here, which is the S40 itself. So I'll start by unboxing them one by one. First, let's do with the mini PC. This is how the mini PC looks, and you've got all the power adapters inside this box, and this is the ports of the mini PC. So here you can see all the HDMI ports, the power ports, the internet port, and the port for the M-Touch. So this is how the M-Core Pro looks like. Next, what we have is the M-Touch Plus, which is the touch panel for controlling the mini PC. And this is how it looks like. It is bigger than the normal M-Touch which we had before. So yeah, this is how it looks like, and you can adjust the stand here. So this is a stand. As you can see, this can be adjusted and for placing, based on your convenience. Yeah. So that's about the M-Touch Plus. So now let's unbox the S40. So this is how the S40 looks like. You can see it has got a protective cover here. That's the reason why you're not able to see the camera lens. So it's actually it has got a dual camera. It has got two stereo speakers, one over here and one over here, and it's inbuilt with 8 MEMS microphone. So this is how the device looks like. If you check the back, these are where the ports are. You've got the power, you've got the USB port which will go to the mini PC for taking control of the camera. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so now let me give you a few features of this camera. So the camera, speakers and microphones, it comes with AI features. So talking about the camera, it supports on-device IntelliFocus. So what this feature does is it shows all the most recent speakers together instead of showing the speakers one by one. Then the next feature that it supports is video fencing. So now the advantage of this feature is that you can mark the fence or the boundary from where you want your camera to track your speakers. So now say that you have a glass wall or a glass fence, you wouldn't have an issue again of the camera doing a false tracking of the people outside the glass, because you can mark the fence from inside the glass. So I hope that you like this product. For any inquiry, that's related to sales, you can drop a mail to sales@datavoice.com. Now say that you want to see a demo of this device live, you can drop a mail at support@datavoice.com. Thank you for watching.